What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton. Kenny behind the camera. We got Cody here laying some Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion with a built-in ceramic coating on this 2023 Tesla Model Y long range. We're fully wrapping this and a few other things, so this is in the process. It's coming out nicely. Then we've got the 2023 Denali GMC Ultimate, and we're doing a full frontal on this with rockers. We got Jose laying some window film. He's getting ready to do some shrinking and get it going. This is coming out nicely. This will be leaving hopefully tomorrow at the end of the day, but getting protected properly in the way it should. I haven't mic'd out this one yet, but just this tool I have, we talked about it. This is a paint depth measuring device for polishing and learning the paint, and we're trying to educate people. And a car I'm getting ready to show you is horrible, but I haven't checked this one. Sorry, Jose. No, all right, so this one's pretty, well, they're showing that as second layer, but brand new truck. So we're okay on this one. I'm not going to spend the time mic and everything out, but that's decent from what's coming across the board now. So we've got this one going in the process. But what I want to show you here is a 2023 Mazda CX-9 Carbon Edition. Beautiful car. Client is out of Chicago. Drove down here and dropped it off. It's leaving here in about a half hour or so. We did a full frontal, rockers, mirrors, A-pillars, wear and tear kit, so all the door edges, door cups, the door seals on all four doors, and then the luggage area in the backs, all protected. And then we went and had to lightly, yes, it's brand new, but brand new cars, just how they're cleaned at the dealers and stuff, had some very light swirls and marring in it, so we had to do a very light polish on it, and the reason for that is I'm getting ready to show you. This car, if you get a scratch or it needs to be heavily buffed, you can't, and I'm going to show you why. Then we also done the ceramic fusion coating on the paint, 4-year coating with no maintenance charges. We never charge a maintenance charge. But what I want to show you here on this is mind-blowing. I don't care what you spend, this is what's happening. 2.28 mils. Paint thin is, this car's got less than 400 miles on it, literally brand new. This is what's coming out now because of all the cutbacks on vehicles. Anything 3 mils and under is very dangerous to go in and start doing a proper paint correction. A light polish, you're still taking the clear coat layer off if you're chasing some deeper swirls or scratches, and this is dangerous. Not a lot of people talk about this. They go in and they think they can mow down anything, but I don't see a lot of people talking about this enough. So educate yourself, give us a call, 219-628-0288. Even if you don't use us, check us out, get knowledge on this, because again, nobody's talking about this. They're talking about how shiny we can get your car and ceramic coating this and stuff like that. The only true way to protect this car in conditions like this is your paint protection film. Ceramic coatings is good for some level of protection, but again, the thinner the paint, the easier it is to scratch, the easier it is to chip, and when you get numbers like I'm showing you here, and I'm going to walk around with Kenny here and show you even worse ones, you can't do nothing about it. So that's what you want to be wary of. So we've got all across the board. It even says it's all right there for you. 2.2. I'm going to get up here on the roof. I'm just picking odd spots here. 1.57 mils. I could literally probably go in there within a couple minutes with my fingernail and start scratching the paint heavily to where you can't fix this. Probably one good pass with a cutting compound, you're burning through this. I don't care what all the rock stars out there like to say. I'm not trying to be judgmental, but nobody's talking about this. This is horrible. Horrible. 1.85. So there's some areas that I'm hitting. So all the way around this whole car is like that. little bit thicker, but see how it jumps? I can go to another area, we're good there. Then we can come up here, we're good there. But then you go to areas like this, boom. So it's very inconsistent, but again, very dangerous. There's a spot, if I can remember, like the one I showed you on the roof, 2.5, 2.7. Oh, okay, we got that. Let's try this side here. 1.69. 1.61. 1.5. So I can keep 1.93. I can keep going all day on this stuff, guys, but get educated. Unfortunately, there's nothing you can do when you buy these vehicles. It is what it is. The dealer, if you ain't gonna get it, someone else is gonna get it. So that's why it is important to get protection on here. Vehicles like this, in our opinion here, is the only true way, again, to help combat this is your paint protection film. If I know it's pricey, at least get a decent coating on it, but again, you're still gonna run into problems. This car truly could never be really buffed if you get any major scratching in it or heavy swirl marks. You got no room left to work. I can go on forever about this on camera, make a long video, but I understand a lot of people don't want to watch it. So I'm offering, again, if you don't come here, come visit us. 419 Council Drive in Chesterton is our only location. Come check us out, give us a call. Bring your vehicle in. I will do these assessments with you free when you buy it. Bring it in and then we can make plans for you. So I just wanted to bring this to everyone's attention and show what we're dealing with, what the detailers are, and how dangerous it is for detailers right now if they don't know, if they're not educated. And that's okay, but they need to educate themselves because it's already happening. I'm already seeing vehicles come in that the paint's been burnt through, the clear coat has been jeopardized, and it's because of issues like this. You think it's brand new, I can go in and do all that stuff to it, and it's false. Be aware of this. Seek out someone that's going to talk to you. If it's not us, someone that knows what they're talking about. If detailers that are buffing, polishing, doing ceramic coating stuff on your cars don't mention this or don't talk about this, I'm telling you right now, it's going to bite them in the ass, and you're going to be on the receiving end of it, having a new car that needs to be repainted or whatever the case may be. So I'll leave that where it's at. We also have some really cool vehicles coming in soon. We've got two brand new 2023 Rivian R1Ss, the SUVs. We're doing one in a full wrap in the Stealth from XPEL, and we're doing one in the Fusion as well. We'll have those here within the next week. We've got a new Jeep Gladiator that's getting some film. We've got a really badass Porsche that's coming in about a week or two. We're just waiting for it to get here, and then it's being delivered to us for a full wrap. So we got lots of things going on. If you guys need anything, details, inside detailing, coatings to protect, real true coatings, rim coatings, not just the face, rims off and done the proper way. Get educated, give us a call, 219-628-0288. For now, guys, love and happiness, peace.